To access the battery compartment, there are two lugs, one on either side of the cover. Simply press them and the cover can be removed. Inside is a battery jack with a rubber protector to ensure it doesn't drop onto the terminals. So once you've removed the protector, you'll need a standard 9-volt battery. Connect it and you'll notice that the battery symbol will stop flashing. When you see the battery symbol flashing, it means the battery has gone flat and you'll need to replace it. The battery doesn't power the controller, it's simply a backup in case of a mains power outage. The battery will ensure your personalised programs won't need to be reset when the power returns. When connected, the battery simply tucks away into the recess as shown.